Before you start, please read the instructions carefully, taking special note of any warnings. It will take 2 people approximately 1 hour to assemble the bed. Lay the parts on a soft surface like carpet to avoid scratches. Note that all pieces are numbered. Please contact us if you think any parts are missing. For this build, you will require a medium Phillips or crosshead screwdriver, a medium flat blade screwdriver, a rubber mallet. An Allen hexagonal key is provided. Step 1. Find 2 panels labelled number 4. Fit the 2 mini blocks. You may require your rubber mallet to hammer these into place. Take 4 male cam locks and insert them using your Phillips screwdriver to turn them clockwise. Note, we do not recommend the use of electric screwdrivers. If you are unsure, please see our separate video on how cam locks work. Unscrew the hinges and attach part 2 to the panel using screws F. Repeat all steps for the other panel 4, but making sure that each panel hinges on opposite sides. Now find 2 panel 2s and 4 panel 9s. Insert all dowels as shown. Slot panel 9 into panel 1 and take Allen screw D and insert it through panel 1 into panel 9 and tighten with Allen key K. Repeat on the opposite side. Now attach panel 2 in the same manner. Turn the assembly on its end and attach panel 4 using the 3 Allen bolts D. Now repeat the process. You will now have 2 assemblies. Now take panel 3 and 2 panel 10s and attach the female cam locks. Note the position of the longer cam lock slot should face the hole. Move the 2 assemblies to the horizontal position and prepare to join them together using the male and female cam locks. Attach panel 3 to one side and tighten the cam locks before sliding both panels 10 into position as shown. Now slide the opposite assembly into position and tighten the cam locks on the other side of panel 3. Now carefully lift the assembly onto its side and tighten the 4 cam locks. Now find panel 8 and attach both brackets N to the underside using the pre-drilled holes. Repeat with the second panel 8. Now lower the bed back onto its base and fit panel 8 as shown. Secure using the Allen bolts on top and the 4 mini blocks below. Repeat this procedure with panel 8 on the other side. Now fit panel 7 between the 2 panel 8s. Now find all 4 panel 4s and attach 2 dowels to each. Attach them to the sides of the bed using 1 Allen screw at the end. Screw in the other 4 Allen bolts on each end of the bed. Now screw in 2 Allen bolts per panel on the underside. Screw wood screws F through the bracket N. Note there are no pre-drilled holes for this. Now slide the 3 bottom panels 11 into position. Add the 4 shelf support studs L. Fit the door stopper H to the middle section. Take both doors 5 and attach hinges as shown. Note there are no pre-drilled holes. Now attach the handle J to the opposite side using screws E. Attach the doors to the beds using the hinges and tighten the screw. You can adjust the hinge to make the doors fit perfectly. Now slide in the shelf 12. Congratulations! Your bed is now ready for use.